The serene village of Enugwu in Adazi community in Anocha local government area of Anambra State came alive as it celebrated its New Yam Festival. This culturally significant event symbolizes the end of the farming season and the beginning of the harvest. The New Yam Festival, known locally as Irijofo, is one of the most anticipated events and a long-standing cultural heritage in Enugwu village, Adazi. Blessing Dennis has details.
The celebration held at Enugwu Hall attracted notable attendees, including members of the Igbo's cabinet, the Otun Zenozo group, the sons and daughters of Enugwu village. Together, they offered prayers for a bountiful harvest and blessings for the year ahead. Dressed in Regalian attire benefiting their status, the attendees led a colorful procession that included the Igbo's Council of Chiefs, title men, women groups, and youth organizations, all adorned in vibrant traditional clothing. The rhythmic beats, musical instruments filled the air, accompanied by traditional songs and dance that reflected the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. The festival unfolded with the elders of Enugwu village performing the sacred ritual of the first yam testing, a symbolic act that marks the start of the yam harvest season. In his address to the gathering, the chairman of Enugwu village, Chief Jideofo Okongwu, offered prayers to the ancestors and the gods of the land, asking for continued protection and prosperity for the community. Chief Okongwu explained that Adazi community had earlier conducted the official cutting of the new yam by their monarch, Igwe Robert Nwankwo, allowing each village under Adazi to proceed with their own celebrations. Speaking at the event, the President General at the Adazi Town Union, Chief Emmanuel Chigozie, expressed his gratitude to the community for their participation and support. In an interview, Prince D.K. Okongwu Jr. noted that the new yam is a celebration of who their people are. On his part, the chairman at the Adazi Town Union, Lagos branch, Chief Chukwuneke Ego Felix, said the festival did not only mark the beginning of harvest season, but also reaffirms the community's unity, culture, and shared values. Masquerade display, cultural dance, event, empowerment to youth were the high points of the event. From Enugwu village, Adazi in Anocha local council area, Blessing Dennis, ABS News.